the party. Let's take a little time and talk about it. What's going through?
Hey guys, I'm coming with you with a black smoky eye look, and first I want to start off with some rosebud chapstick, whatever it is. I cannot be coming into this video with chap lips, I swear to you, because somebody in the comments is going to get on me. But I'm using the Fenty Beauty primer, and I'm just putting that all over my face. I finally figured out what primer does. I think it like closes your pores or something like that. But now I'm using foundation, the Fenty Beauty foundation, in the color 390. At first I thought this was too light for me, or too, I don't know, like I kind of wish this had like more of a yellow undertone rather than a little orange undertone. But I mean, it's cool. I've been rocking with it, so I like it a lot, and it feels really weightless, so that's really nice. And I'm just using a beauty blender, and I'm putting it all over my face, on my neck, and I'm just making sure everything is blended out. Now I'm taking my NYX pencil in the color black, and I'm just doing my eyebrows because, you know, you just can't walk out the house with, you know, terrible eyebrows. That's just not gonna happen. But I use the Anastasia brow wigs, and honestly, this is a good dupe if you are like trying to find something cheaper and you want your eyebrows done, because my brow wigs went out in 5 seconds. Like, I was so hurt. And now I'm gonna use LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Toffee, and I'm just gonna put that on the ends of my eyebrows. I don't like to put it all around my eyebrows because it just looks really weird to me and unnatural. But that's just my opinion. If you do it all around your eyebrows, that's just your preference, but this is just mine. So yeah, and then now I'm just gonna blend that out with a beauty blender. Now I'm gonna take the same concealer, but instead I'm going to get the color Fawn. It's a lighter complexion of the concealer, so I like to do that under my eyes so it can be, you know, brightening, and, you know, I can look bomb as hell. I'm just going to put that on my forehead, my chin, my under eyes, and then I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty matchstick in Espresso. It's a contour stick. I love this contour stick. I feel like it's just a really good shade for, you know, chocolate girls. So, yeah. I'm just going to do that, and I'm going to put also like a circle around my nose. I think it just accentuates my nose, and I really like doing that. So, that's just me. That's just me. And also, I learned a trick from Jackie, you know, Auntie Jackie. Like to let your concealer sit a little bit and then blend it out, and it actually works like really well. So that's what I usually do. And then I'm taking the same beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend out that contour. I used to not like using the same beauty blender for my concealer and contour, but I lost my blending brush for my contour, so it is what it is now. Now I'm just using my beauty blender, you know. You gotta do what you gotta do. And I'm just gonna do that all around my face. I'm gonna just blend out my nose contour too. And I like to blend out my nose contour all around my nose with my finger. It just makes it like really easy for me. And I'm just gonna do that all around my nose. And now I'm gonna take the Invisimatte by Fenty Beauty Universal Matte Powder. I'm not gonna bake, but, you know, I just put that in my eyes. And now I'm going to take the Morphe palette. First, I'm taking the color Heat, actually. I'll be taking the color Heat, and I'll be putting that around my eyes with this blendy brush by Morphe. I'm so sorry, I do not know the number. And then now I'm just taking an e.l.f. brush, and I'm blending that out on the edge of the corners because it's a clean brush, and I just wanted, you know, it to look like diffused and stuff. as you see, I like it. And then I'm just going to do that on my other eye, the same technique. And then I'm going to be taking the color Ablaze, and I'm going to be putting that on my eyes. And now I'm going to be taking the color Whiz, which is just a black color, and I'm going to put that on my bottom lid. I like to pack the color on my lid just to make sure, because sometimes the colors can, you know, get a little faded, and so when I pack it on, it does help the situation. So that's what I like to do, and the red gives it like a cute, like cool effect. So, you know, that's what I like. So, yeah. And then I'm going to take that same brush and I'm going to just blend it out. Now I'm going to put Whiz under my eyes because I want it to look like a smoky eye effect. So I'm just going to do that. And I'm taking one of my Urban Decay Naked brushes, and then I'm going to go back into the color Heat, and I'm going to put that under my eye since I did put that around my upper eye area. And I'm just going to pack on that black color Whiz, just to make sure that anything that did fade out, I want it to look really pigmented. And so now I'm going to go into my favorite mascara, the Better Than Sex mascara. It's so good. Like I didn't use lashes for this look because I didn't have any at the moment. But I didn't feel like I needed any. Like it just looked really good. And now I'm going to use my highlight in the Fenty Beauty collection. It's the color Rum. I like to do this first before I put on a powder highlight. So this is just a cream highlight. So I'm just going to use my brush to, you know, blend it out because we don't want it to look like really weird. And then now I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty in Hustler Baby, and I'm going to put that over the cream highlight just so it can set it and also make the highlight look even more poppin', because like, who doesn't want that? That shouldn't be a question. Everyone wants highlight. Like, everyone wants poppin' highlight. I don't know when it doesn't. Now I'm going to use the NYX, and it's in the colors London, and I'm going to put gloss over it, and yeah, that's the finished look. Yeah. Okay, so if you were, you know, watching this video and you were just like, girl, like, what's in your hair? It's looking good. Your hair is looking plump, you know, all of that stuff. All of it. The hair that I have in my head is Nadula hair. I have a Brazilian deep wave and a 24-inch, 22-inch, 20-inch with a closure. However, I did not use the closure. I just left my hair out so I can, like, you know, be able to go like that and stuff, and like let it be really natural, because I was just looking for like a really natural type of weave. This is a weave. I don't really wear wigs because I just don't. I hope you guys liked this video. Everybody was asking me in my comments, like, when are you gonna do that black eye look that you did before? I did this look in my current playlist video, which was like my last video, and so I was just like, oh, maybe I should come by and show everybody like how I did it, because everybody was asking. So yeah, this is it. I guess I will talk to you guys later. Yeah, bye.